Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix the Steam missing file privileges. Now this is a very common issue and I'm going to show you an easy workaround. Now I'm going to show you three methods. The first one is to simply first open up your Steam player, log into your account, and from there to go to the top left corner where Steam appears. Now from there we head down to the settings and this window will open up. Now from there we go down to the downloads, and here all you have to do is scroll down. Go to the storage, and from there all you have to do is go to the three little dots right here, the settings of the storage, and here we repair the library. Now simply allow this and press yes, and it will repair the library for you. Now, if this still didn't fix your issue, simply head down to the library where all your games appear. Now go to the game that gives the error. Now let's say it's Counter-Strike. Now all we have to do is right click it. From here we go to properties, and once you're in properties, head down to your files. Now from here we see the installed files. Now what we will do right now is verify the game files integrity. So simply verify integrity of games files, and it will start to verify all the files in the selected game. Now if these methods, both still didn't work, I have a last solution, and we go down to Steam once more. We open up the settings, and from here we head down to downloads. Now in the downloads we have a option that clears the download cache, and this will get rid of all the files that aren't necessary. So simply press clear cache, press confirm, and it will delete all the temporary files and it will restart Steam. Now if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. If you still have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below and I will try my very best to help you. Thanks for watching.